Welcome to the Blockchain Brew 3-step trading power pack. Before we dive into it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to join the Brew Crew. You might not be joining the biggest, the best, or the brightest crypto community on YouTube, but you're definitely joining the most hydrated crypto community on YouTube. Cheers. Let's dive into it. The first step in our Blockchain Brew trading power pack is to sign up for and create an account with BYDFi, our exchange partner of choice here on the channel. And I'm gonna take off these top banners real quick because they're gonna get in the way of some of the tutorial. Now you can find in the description to any of our videos, I'm just going back to one of our live streams. It's right here, this first link on the top, it'll have a yellow box next to it for BYDFi. This first link on the top, you can go ahead and follow that link and it's going to take you to this new user deposit bonus event with BYDFi. And the way this works is you deposit funds and you get a trading bonus. You do not have to meet a certain trading volume to get this bonus like on other exchanges. And it also does not benefit me to tell you this, but you can deposit your funds, and when you get your bonus, you can withdraw your deposit and just trade with the bonus that you got. It doesn't benefit me to tell you that because I get commission on trading fees. So I would rather you trade with the whole amount. But if you're looking for a come up and you can't really afford to have those funds from your spot bags in a trading account, then you can withdraw your deposit after you get your bonus. Here's what you get. For a $100 deposit, you get a $60 bonus. For a $500 deposit, you get a $100 bonus. Now, this $60, that's 60% of your deposit. This is some of the most generous bonuses in the game. Everything after that is a 20% bonus, but you get a $100 bonus on a $500 deposit, a $200 bonus on a $1,000 deposit, and a $1,000 bonus on a $5,000 deposit. This does not have to be in USDT either, your deposit. If you have a little Bitcoin, a little XRP, a little USDT, a little Ethereum, your total deposit just has to total over $5,000 in assets to get the $1,000 bonus. Like I said, you can withdraw your deposit and then just trade with the bonus, or you can trade with the whole $6,000 and help support the channel by doing so. Next, so you enter, in order to create your account, you would either enter an email and a password, or you would choose to sign up with Google, Telegram, or Apple to create your account. This is no KYC and no VPN required. Moving on to step 2 of our Blockchain Brew trading power pack is you're going to actually fund your account, right? So I'm going to come over here, share this tab. And if you've never made an on-chain transaction before, there's a couple of things that you'll need to know. So I'm going to go over here to the top, the little wallet icon. I'm going to click deposit. Okay, that's the first thing I'm going to do. Now I'm going to select the asset that I want to deposit. You could, select any of these, right? If you select Bitcoin, you're going to select your network, select Bitcoin, copy your wallet address. You want it to go to your contract account. You might need to toggle it from spot to contract. Okay. I'm going to select USDT Tether. I'm going to select my network here. I'm going to do it on the Ethereum network because Tether exists across multiple chains. So you do have to select the network that you're going to send it on. And you're going to copy your wallet address right here. This is your wallet address that's in your BYDFi account. Make sure that I'm sending it to my contract address. And then whatever platform you currently use, like Binance or Coinbase, etc., you're going to follow the instructions on that platform to send the funds. So you'll go over here where it says withdraw. It'll look different on your other platform, but what you're looking to do is to withdraw funds. Okay, so I'm gonna hit withdraw, and again, I want to send Tether USDT. I'm sending it on the Ethereum network, right? If I picked Ethereum to copy the address from when I was on the deposit page, that's what I want to click when I'm sending. They have to go to the same network. So now I'm going to paste the address that I copied. Okay, so you just paste the address that you copied. Make a mental note just so you're being safe and making sure you have the right address. Just memorize the first four letters and the last four letters of the address and make sure they match up. And then you're going to select how much you want to send, and you want it to be at least $100 worth of assets because you want that bonus and you want to be able to take part in the Discord. Now, if you've never sent an on-chain address, if you've never sent an on-chain transaction before, it can take a little while to process. If you're sending it on Ethereum, it might take 5 minutes to show up in your account. Okay, if you sent it on, if you sent Tether on Tron, for example, it would get there very quickly within seconds. If you sent it on Solana, it would get there in seconds. You know, um, I'm just clicking Ethereum right now. It is slower, but it's still the most widely used. But yeah, if you've never sent an on-chain transaction before, you do need to be aware it can take a few minutes to show up in your account. But the third step in our trading power pack is that you're going to come over here and next to the purple box, you're going to click the link to Discord and you're going to accept that invite. And when you do, if you haven't created a Discord account before, it's going to prompt you to do so. You'll come over here to the general chat, and this is where you're going to see T Square and myself posting our own charts, posting our what we're looking at in the crypto market for the day, interacting with the community outside of the live stream. And you see the community in here chatting it up as well. Muffhead posting some good stuff today. He's in our nightly live streams. So shout out to Muffhead. We have a little off-topic channel where I posted about some bourbon. But the reason this is step number 3 in our trading power pack is that you go over here to the BYDFi verify channel, and you're going to enter your BYDFi user ID. If you're signed up with our link and you have at least $100 in your futures contract account, you're going to enter your user ID. Now, the way you can do that, I'll share this tab instead and go back over to the home page. You look at your little profile icon, and here's your user ID right underneath your username. So copy that. You can come back over here to the Discord, and you're just going to paste your user ID. When you click submit, it's going to give you access to our VIP channels down here on the bottom left. What you get access to is announcements. You get scalp signals, scalp trading signals. Sometimes it'll even tell you how much leverage to use. It'll give you an entry price, several take profit levels, a stop loss, and it'll show you the chart. So guys, these are what the signal bot does is it aggregates signals from top ROI traders on the BYDFi platform. And so it looks at the kinds of trades that the top ROI traders are making. It aggregates those and it gives you their signals. So these are all the scalp signals that you're looking to get in and out of these trades. It'll give you swing trading signals that you're looking to hold for a longer period of time. Like I said, many times it'll tell you how much leverage to use right there. It'll give you an entry price, several take profit levels, and a stop loss, and the chart. So this is really a ton of value baked in here for free. Yeah, you have that $100 deposit, but you're depositing that into your own trading account. You're not paying us for these VIP signals. My favorite VIP channel on here is the market analysis. It gives you a macro update on a certain aspect of the market. Okay, one of my favorite ones that it gave was back here on the 24th, and it was about Bitcoin dominance. It said, strong bearish MACD signal on Bitcoin dominance. It's finally happening. The MACD is about to cross below the signal line on the monthly Bitcoin dominance chart, a historically powerful bearish signal for BTC.D. This signal has only appeared twice before. In 2017, Bitcoin dominance dropped 63%. In 2021, Bitcoin dominance dropped 47%. Now in 2025, this setup is repeating. If history rhymes, Bitcoin dominance may crash from 60% to 40%, triggering a massive altcoin season that could last months, not weeks. Watch closely. Once the MACD cross confirms, it could mark the beginning of the altcoin supercycle. And it shows you the chart here on the monthly for the MACD, call it by its government name, the moving average convergence divergence on Bitcoin dominance. And it shows you right here where the moving averages are looking to cross on the MACD. On the monthly, this has only ever happened twice in history. And it leads to huge altcoin seasons. So there you go. You get access to all of this by following the 3 steps in our Blockchain Brew Trading Power Pack. And I want to thank you again for tuning in and being part of the most hydrated crypto community on YouTube. Cheers.